Right, so I thought I'd make a little video just explaining how I make my bowl blanks, and you know, if I've got to cut a perfect circle out. I want to explain how this jig works. I mean, there's loads of different types of these that people have made. This is just my own version. If it works for you, then copy it. If not, change it to whatever works. So let's just pull out there. So this is just a piece of oak, 1/2 inch oak. What I've done is I've measured every inch away from the outside of the blade. So this side of the blade to there is 1 inch and another inch, and so on. So whatever this marking is, so that's 2 inches, that's 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, and so on. It's very simple. Now, what I used to do before, the other one of these that I had, you kind of had to have a flat edge, and then you'd work off that flat edge. But what I've done here, and I found it was really difficult, was if you can push up into the work and then spin it, you get an absolutely perfect circle, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So all I've done, like I say, it's a 1/2 inch piece of oak with the holes drilled in every inch. On the back, I've just put a slider for my mitre slide, and then this part here is a stopper which stops on the edge of your cast or whatever kind of table you've got. So just slots in and then it stops there, so it can't go any further. Easiest thing to do. So what you do basically is you get your piece of wood, whatever you want, you mark the center, you put a little hole in it, so let's say we want, I don't know, let's say we want a 6 inch blank turned out of this piece of ply. So I've put my little guide hole in the center. I've got my little pin and I'll pop it into number 6, which is 6 inches. Then I'll pull it away from the blade, and then I'll line up that hole there with the pin. As easy as that. Now what will happen is, as I slide this, it'll hit the stopper and it won't go any further. That's then when I need to start rotating. So let's bring that down a little bit. So there you go, there's our perfect circle every single time. Right, I hope this video helps. Like I say, really simple design. Make sure you've got a stopper which will take it level with whatever hole that you want. So there's my blade.